start. You won't forget what was torn apart. I walked away, no more